What's up guys? Good afternoon. Ito po si Kuya Jed. Today is October 28. It's already 4 p.m. in the afternoon. Late na po ako sa PT namin. Hindi na po ako nakapasa. Ngayon, let's try to gawin natin. Gumawa tayo ng animal cell para makapasa tayo. Ang dilim mo. Iyonan muna natin ang ilaw, ha? Basic. Kakagising ko lang, guys. Tsaka naalala ko na hindi na pala ako nakapasa ng PT namin sa biology. So, late na po ako. Buhat na siguro ko eh.
Just do it!
So guys, maliligo muna ako guys ha. Tsaka pagbalik ko, gagawa na ako ng PT namin sa biology para makapasa na rin tayo. Be right back. So hello guys, welcome back. Kakatapos ko lang maligo. At it's already 6 p.m. At sisimulan ko na yung animal cell dahil late na talaga ako. So guys, without further ado, let's go!
On the track, boy.
guys, natapos ko na po yung animal cell ko. Ito na po yung final product ko. Sira. So, hello guys. Natapos ko na po yung 3D model. Ito na po yun. Ito na po yung buong 3D animal cell. So, may nakalagay na po na label dyan kung anong part po ng cell siya. So magsisimula po tayo dyan sa gitna, yung may bilog na green, yan po yung nucleus. Sa taas po niyan ay mitochondrion. Sa gilid ay ang vacuole tsaka ribosomes. Tapos endoplasmic reticulum, ang cell membrane, lysosome at saka ang Golgi apparatus. So guys, this is the nucleus. The nucleus is a highly specialized organelle that serves as the information and administrative center of the cell. This organelle has two major functions. It stores the cell's hereditary material or DNA, and it coordinates the cell activities, which include intermediary metabolism, growth, protein synthesis, and reproduction, which is the cell division. So guys, this is the mitochondrion. The mitochondrion is an oblong-shaped organelle that is found in the cytoplasm of every eukaryotic cell. In animal cell, they are the main power generators, converting oxygen and nutrients into energy. So guys, ito naman po yung Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus is the distribution and shipping department for the cell's chemical products. It modifies proteins and fats built in the endoplasmic reticulum and prepares them for export to the outside of the cell. Golgi. And guys, this is the endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum is a network of sacs that manufactures, processes, and transports chemical compounds for the use inside and outside of the cell. It is connected to the double-layered nuclear envelope, providing a pipeline between the nucleus and the cytoplasm. And guys, this is the cell membrane. The cell membrane therefore has two functions. First, to be a barrier keeping the constituents of the cell and in and unwanted substances out. And second, to be a gate allowing transport into the cell of essential nutrients and movement from the cell of waste products. And guys, these are the ribosomes. All living cells contain ribosomes, tiny organelles composed of approximately 60% RNA and 40% protein. In eukaryotes, ribosomes are made of 4 strands of RNA. In prokaryotes, they consist of 3 strands of RNA. So, what's up guys? Sa wakas,
Go, Jenners!
ang... So, what's up guys? Sa wakas, natapos ko na rin po yung yung animal cell. Ay, makakapasa na talaga. Yeah!